We haven't made it to the trash picking route yet, but I found some random toolboxes in someone's garbage pile. Let's see if we got anything. All right. Box is a little too beat up to take for a box. Whoa, look at that. There's a bunch of junk in there. Figure that out later. Right here. Whoa! We got sockets, brake tools. Man, this one doesn't want to close. It's like the 7-Eleven wants to stay open all day. All right. There's a bunch of junk in here too. Sockets, files. That's so cool. Technically, we're not even trash picking yet, and we already scored 3 boxes of tools. That's great. It's supposed to rain today, so this is one of those days where anything we get is a gift. I guess that's true every day, right? We're in another beautiful neighborhood. Welcome to McMansionville, USA. Think there's anything in this case? Nope. How about this case? Only reason I'm even gonna check is this guy had a lot of LPs before. Wow. That looks good. Oh, it smells awful too. Wow. That was gross. And check it out. Yep. Tailpipe finally fell off. New muffler's like $90 too. That sucks. It is sprinkling rain. See the raindrops? Raindrops keep falling on my car. And everything out here is just leftovers of leftovers. This TV looks kind of cool. I think we're gonna take that from my dude who likes TVs, and I'm gonna, there it is in the car. And the more I look at it, the more I realize I might have to re-gift this. In fact, I might re-gift it right now. All right, I decided to keep it for now, maybe. Rain's getting worse. But it looks like there's some puppy food. So let's see. Is it expired? No. Totally expired. The main reason I got out here because this thing looked kind of cool. Like a vintage boombox, but it's just a hunk of junka. Look at that! $0.99. I don't know, should I take that? That is so cool, isn't it? I always feel bad burning figural candles. It seems mean. What about that one? Wow, that's a nice candle. Smell like anything? I don't know, what do you want to go home and have a candle party? Nah, probably not. What do you think? Is this mid-century modern? No, of course not. Wow. That is full. And the sewing machine, of course, empty. Ooh, we got some roofing nails though. What do you think's in their CDs? Oh, check it out. That's a good album. Wish I had a CD player. Fantasy Records. CCR, I'm gonna guess. Do I know record companies that rip off their artists or what? What about this? Light fixture. Already been cut. All right. I hear you loud and clear. I'm going to abandon that pile and move on to the next one. Nothing to see there. The rain isn't too bad. Are these antiques? Maybe. I don't think they're antiques, but I think they're kind of cool. Let's see. Pier 1, maybe. Wow, those are big and stupid. Can I fit one inside the other? Probably. Let's see. All right. Well, that's perfect. let's just say we're not being too picky today because of the rain, but we might have to make some tough decisions about which ones of these items to re-gift. Perhaps all of them. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Pretty heavy. Wow. That's a thing that just happened. So I guess this is questionable. Not going to scrap that one just yet. And we will put this back together and leave it right where we found it at. I really thought that was going to be shoes. But I'm glad it wasn't, because our scrap load is a little bit light today. Look, it's jolly old Saint Nick. You ever seen a blow mold that actually still has a carrot nose? That's cray-cray. I didn't show myself picking those up because the people are out there. But, boy oh boy, I'm so glad that I found two big stupid blow molds to stick in my car and take up all the space. So glad. This thing's been out here since yesterday. Kick. That worked. I don't want to knock the whole thing over. That's our whole scrap load. Isn't that sweet? All right, let's get out of here before we get ran over. Too late. Oh my God. Just never ends. There's cars everywhere. I'm telling you, really haven't lived until you've taken your life into your hands for 50 cents worth of brass. Another main road, but I think this one might be worth it. Look what we got. Look at the little 2B2% in there. Holy cow. Wow, I'm glad I didn't stay home in the rain. Let's see, where should we put this stuff? On top of the snowman or under the snowman? Don't worry, I'll figure it out. Is that gonna scratch up that TV? Maybe. Oh boy, oh boy. This is what happens sometimes when you pick up blow molds. Blow molds. All right. There. We'll put the Heath kit on top of the Craftsman. And then we'll wedge Santa Claus in there somehow. And this doofy snowman. Are we all set? We good? Yeah, we're really good. Looks pretty good from afar, doesn't it? Check this out. It's a total ripoff of the GT triple triangle. Man, that is a beautiful bike. I know it's just a Murray. Am I really even thinking of taking this? You know what? We got nothing else on the rack, so we might as well. And you know what? I think with that, we're gonna call this video over. We've got plenty of clips. It's been an exciting day. You know, so if you're ever wondering what it's like to come out trash picking on a not quite rainy day, this is what it's like. Forecast called for major rain. We're getting sprinkles. People are putting piles out. It's been a pretty good day. And I will keep you updated if I find anything exciting, but until then, enjoy that freewheel. and thanks for watching.